Reto Leusch has been fishing in Lake Constance for 30 years. Recently, this Swiss fisherman has noticed that there are fewer perch and other edible fish. The local species are being deprived of food because other invasive species have taken over the waters, such as the stickleback and the quagga mussel. And that means more of the lake's fisheries are having to close.
The biggest problem with invasive species, new species, is that they compete directly with local species for food. It's frightening. You can't live on fishing anymore. You can't support a family with such a small catch.
Lake Constance is being studied by scientists from Germany, Austria and Switzerland. At the AWAG Research Institute near Zurich, they measure the populations of invasive species and cross-check data to understand their impact on the ecosystem. They've counted 37 species of invasive animals and plants. Sylvan works with the quagga mussel, a species native to Ukraine. But how did it get here?
We think it happened through cargo ships, through the Rhine-Danube channel. In the hardest infested regions in these lakes, we have about 30,000 mussels per square meter. And that's quite a lot. So today we took a sample from the lake bottom. So we took up mussels, which we take to the lab, and then we measure them and count them.
The total budget of this project is 5.66 million euros, with 2.24 million euros of support from the European cohesion policy. 7 research institutes from the 3 countries bordering the lake are participating in the project. These invasive species reproduce very quickly. This is the case for the sticklebacks, which, according to the project leader, now account for 90% of the fish in the lake. But what is the solution? Is it too late?
So for Lake Constance, it's now too late. The measurements were taken too late. And everybody can help there. Everybody who goes to Lake Constance with their boat, with their inflatable paddle, they should clean it when they take it out. They should be sure that they do not transport quagga mussels or quagga mussel larvae from one lake to another.
Nevertheless, these invasive species do filter the lake's water, which is clear and of high quality. With an area of 536 kilometers squared, Lake Constance is a drinking water reservoir and one of the most important tourist spots in Central Europe.